Welcome back. Anil Gawde, the youngest son of Tulsi Gawde, has recovered from his mental illness. He has been treated well by specialized doctors and now Anil is gradually returning back to normalcy. He can read, play, exercise and behave well. Prudent had highlighted Tulsi Gawde's plight during the last Diwali. Here is a Prudent media impact of a different kind.
Visit in November of I 960.
आणि
मागीर ब्रश तोंड धुता न्हाता च्या पिता व्यायाम करता वॉकिंग करता मागीर नाश्ता करता मेडिसीन घेता आनी ग्रुपाक बसता
कपडे बीन तुजे तूं धुयता
दोस्त का नाम बोलो दोस्त
आणि तुझे फ्रेंड कोण आहात हांगा
मार्विन लागू
Prudent Media had highlighted the plight of Tulsi Gawde and her two sons. Most of the Gawdes helped the family and to treat her sons. Anil Gawde was then admitted in Chaitanya Hospital for treatment in TV. A doctor's team headed by Dr. Rajesh Dume helped Anil to recover from his illness.
जो तुम्ही अनिल पळयता तो रिहॅबिलिटेशन ही प्रक्रिया केल्लो अनिल आनी ताज्यान कांय ना जाल्यार थोडो तरी सुदार आयिल्लो आसा आनी त्या खातीर म्हाका अशें म्हणून दिसता की जे मनोरुग्ण आसा तांणी फक्त औषधोपचार करचो न्ही पूण औषधोपचार करूनय बी रिहॅबिलिटेशनचे वेटेन जेन्ना मनीस पावल उबारता तेन्ना खूबसो तांचो फायदो जावन पडटा.
The house in charge of Chaitanya, Jinu, informed us that Anil has shown tremendous improvement and has been cooperating with the doctors and staff members in good order.
He is improved a lot. Like he is sitting in the group activities. He is participating in the occasional training, like cover making sessions, and our different duties which we are assigning to him. He is performing well. And according to us, he has improved almost 70–80%, and still there is a chance for the improvement, and we can say that we could achieve this with all support of families, with the support of doctors, especially Dr. Peter Castellino, Rajesh Dume.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatti.
Rainy season is yet to begin in Goa and catching of frogs has already begun. But beware, you could be fined up to 25,000 rupees or even jail for 7 years. Frogs, better known as jumping chickens, are very important for the ecosystem, but their rampant consumption has put them in the endangered species. It's time to save the frogs and save Mother Nature.
Wildlife Conservation and Forest Department office in Margao organized an awareness campaign. Different posters were put up in SGPDA market to bring about awareness amongst the people to save nature by saving frogs. Round Forest Officer Anil Desai alerted that if any person is found catching or killing frogs, will be fined 25,000 rupees with an imprisonment of 7 years.
पब्लिक लोक मार्केटान जास्त लोक असतात त्या खातीर आमी हे पोस्टर गेल्या वर्साक मारले आनी ह्या वर्साक मारताय ते बेबी मारले जाय तेमकां 7 वर्सां प्रे जावं ना कैद आनी 25,000 फायन आसता.
Experts also feel that frog consumption can give rise to cancer. First week of June is a very important time for frog breeding. So let's help to save Mother Nature by saving frogs. Our reporter in Margao, Savio Dias.
News from sports after we come back from a short break. Stay tuned.